authenticity, age-old artistry, and revitalization. All over the world, the art of cooking is continuously reinvented, establishing a perfect combination of traditional and modern techniques. The renowned Staub cocotte, manufactured in France and famous around the world, is perfectly at home in the kitchens of amateur and professional chefs alike. Made from the highest quality materials, enameled cast iron creates the perfect cooking environment with its natural heat retention and redistribution properties, and is easy to use. 2 coats of our specially formulated black matte interior enamel offer improved resistance to scratching, as well as the ideal setting for braising and roasting food. At least 2 coats of coloured enamel on the outside, in an assortment of attractive and dynamic colours, remind us that elegance can be combined with performance. The smooth bases of Staub cocottes make them suitable for all heat sources, including induction. But it's during the cooking process in which they reveal their real secret. Steam, produced while cooking in the covered Staub cocotte, condenses on self-basting spikes on the underside of the flat lid and drops evenly onto the food, creating a continuous rainfall cycle. This superior construction of the Staub cocotte provides a continuous basting system that is 9 times more efficient than just using a conventional lid. Tests prove it. The Staub cocotte preserves all of the nutritional and wholesome qualities of food. The meat stays tender and vegetables remain soft. For healthy, tasty, and effortless cooking. It's no coincidence that Staub is the preferred brand of the greatest chefs across the world. Staub. Taste the excellence.